Yeah! Tara pre, laro tayo! Wala. Love, may bago na naman tayo pag-aawayan. I love you. See you later. Happy anniversary.
Listen to me now. All I was through. Oh yeah. Counting the stars above.
Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. We were 15 and 14 years old back then when we first met. And ever since that day, I knew that God had a plan for us.
Sa loob ng 5 taon na relasyon natin at 7 taon na panliligaw ko sa iyo, marami na tayong pinagdaanan na sadyang sinubok ang pagsasama natin. And no matter what challenges we face, the love that we have doesn't change. Sabay nating hinarap ang lahat ng to kasama ang Panginoon.
Oh, I'm in love, so deep in love. I'm in love, so deep in love.
Sakto sa araw na ito, 5 years na tayo. And I'm so blessed and thankful to God that we are finally here, standing as one with Christ. Pinapangako ko na alagaan kita, iintindihan ka sa bawat oras, susuportahan ka sa lahat ng bagay, at mamahalin ka sa araw-araw.
I'm out here in the open, trying to stay the path.
Ang gaganda ng bridesmaid ko.
Somewhere in between the
Exactly 5 years ago, I said yes to you when you asked me if I wanted to be your girlfriend. Indeed, the Lord has a perfect timing. Never early and never late. Our way here wasn't always easy and wonderful, but I just wanted to say thank you for not giving up on me.
I hang on every word you ever said.
Thank you dahil sa kayo yung nag-guide sa akin mula noon, yung sacrifices nyo para sa akin. Ito na yun, kumbaga parang hindi naman natatapos dito. Salamat dahil patuloy kayo nandyan para sa amin.
Won't you call me homeward? Won't you call me homeward?
We have to pray that Brother Lauren and Sister Crisel, no matter what, kahit anong mangyari, no? Work out your relationship. Marami problema talaga yan. Walang ayawan.
I miss you more than once to hurry up the plans.
I promise to celebrate life with you, to brave the winds with you. Pangako sa bawat ikaw, asahan mong merong ako. Ikaw sa lungkot at saya, ikaw sa iyak at tawa, ikaw sa bawat talo at panalo. Ikaw ngayon ay magpakita.
Just to bring me back. No, you're too good for that. I hang on every word you ever said, for I know you're faithful, and I'm still waiting on a wealth of promises. But I know you're able, and if ever I stray, if ever I fall, won't you call me homeward? Or won't you call me homeward?
In moments of joy, I will praise Him with you. In times of struggle, I will trust Him to lead us through. I will love you as Christ loves the church, unconditionally and without measure. And together, we will build a home of faith, hope, and love. Today, I give you my hand and my heart as we begin this journey. with God at the center of all we do. I love you so much, mahal ko. Happy anniversary.
It's not mine to know. Lord, help me believe it. All those days when I feel like I don't. I've learned faith isn't feeling. It's just trusting when you feel the most. And someday I'll see it. Reach the house at the end of the road.
I promise to respect you, to submit to you, and never dominate you. I will let you be the leader of our family, just as Christ is the head of ours. Finally, my love, I'm excited to wake up every day knowing that you are my husband. I love you and happy 5th anniversary!